He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Milford traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo, gonna back taxi runway 27, Milford.
That's one of the cameras?
That's one of the cameras.
Huh.
So I don't know why the GoPro 360 is not turning on. This one's on, I can't connect to the tail cam. That's what we have today. Alright, 5,000 set, altimeter is set.
Yeah, there was a pretty big bow down around Des Moines.
Yeah.
It probably got hit with some pretty good winds.
Well, I think it's still, according to radar, still storming down there, but we'll come in right behind it. Alrighty, here we go. Aubrey, you ready? Activate EPSS heading altitude on Minneapolis, November 3 Papa Echo with you off of Milford.
3 Papa Echo Minneapolis, Center Roger, the 4,000 altimeter 2987.
3 Papa Echo, be radar contact 6 miles northeast of East Spencer Airport and CL2BB.
Position checks, and we are 4,400 for 5,000. 3 Papa Echo.
3 Papa Echo, Roger, Fort Dodge altimeter 2987.
87. So I don't know why these cameras are not wanting to work for me. Kind of a bummer. They work at home when I try them, and then they don't work here. That's why it's cold. Turn that off, huh?
3 Papa Echo, change my frequency 134.0.
3 Papa Echo with you, 34 nothing.
3 Papa Echo, Roger, moderate heavy precipitation beginning in about 60 miles, extending all the way to the Des Moines Airport.
Roger that, we got that on the screen, and we'll be looking for it. 3 Papa Echo. The heaviest of all that, it passed. Mine is the heavy stuff.
Yeah, that's real heavy, the pinkish purple.
That would be classified as severe.
Yeah. Little rain, huh?
A little bit of rain.
Information, Papa 1120 Zulu, special observation, wind 200 at 6, visibility 6, light rain, thunderstorms, mist, 4,000 scattered cumulonimbus, ceiling 6,500 overcast, temperature 2.14, altimeter 2988. Remarks? Occasional lightning in clouds, cloudy ground in the vicinity north to south, thunderstorm in the vicinity north to south, moving northeast. ILS approach your use, landing and departing runway 13. That's Airman runway 523 closed. Runway 13 condition.
Papa and ILS 13. Can do. ILS 13. I assume vectors. Load. Alright, let's get the ILS up. Throw it to the map. 11.9. 111.9. Over. Approach course 131. 13.1. 11. 9. Let's flop. 111.9. And I will leave it in GPS mode until we are inbound on the approach course. We've got Papa. I've got ground in 121.9. Approach 123.9 is who should be off to next. And 183 is tower.
Silver 3 Papa Echo, there's mileage heavy precip starting at about 20 miles for you between you and Des Moines.
Roger that. We got that here on the screen. Hoping to shoot that ILS and get into Des Moines. 3 Papa Echo.
Roger, I'll be at Des Moines approach here in a few minutes.
Roger that. 3 Papa Echo.
Silver 3 Papa Echo, what's your current flight conditions?
IMC 3 Papa Echo.
Roger. And what's the temperature there?
11 Celsius, and just as I said that, we popped out of a layer. We're just between layers here, 3 Papa Echo.
Roger. The 3 Papa Echo, contact Des Moines approach 123.9er.
23.9, 3 Papa Echo. Approach November 3 Papa Echo with you level 5,000.
Silver 3 Papa Echo, Des Moines approach. Des Moines information, Quebec is now current with 210 at 8, altimeter commander 87. Slight thunderstorm, clouds 6,500, scatter cumulonimbus, ceiling 9,000 overcast, temperature 16, 2.14, altimeter commander 87.
Roger that, we got Quebec, thank you. 3 Papa Echo.
3 Papa Echo, proceed direct to Wadi for the ILS 13.
Direct Wadi, 3 Papa Echo.
United 1676, contact Minneapolis Center 119.6.
1960 today, United 1676.
Alright, direct Wadi.
Silver 3 Papa Echo, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000, the citation at 10 miles out on the ILS. Reported nothing more than light rain and light shock.
Roger that, appreciate that, and my discretion down to 4,000, 3 Papa Echo. Alright, my discretion, I'm going to take it nice and easy. Couple hundred feet a minute. Alright, if we're to go master climbing 16 and then right turn 3000 direct to Des Moines, you're and hold. We are Wadi inbound. Pretty much a straight in for us, pretty close. So we're on approach. Let's get tower plugged in here. 118.3. Enter. Tower. Ground. And we'll be back. IMC here. I can see I got ground contact though. Once we get through these few layers, we'll be good to go. Alright, VLOC on. We're on the needle. Not to glide slope quite yet. Should intersect it.
Station 924 Bravo Delta, contact Chicago Center 118.15. Let them know what the rides are like in the climb going through that line.
Chicago 118.15, we'll let them know, 924 Bravo Delta.
Alright, there's gear speed. Turn the yaw damper off.
There 3 Papa Echo, contact Tower 18-3.
Over to tower, 3 Papa Echo. Tower, November 3 Papa Echo with you, ILS 13.
And 3 Papa Echo, Des Moines Tower, runway 13, clear to land, wind 210 at 11.
Clear to land, 13, 3 Papa Echo. Alrighty, glide slope coming alive. comes the glide slope. And are descending. Try to keep it here at about 120. And I got runway in set. It over here.
Not yet.
Right here off the left.
Oh, okay. Yep, I see it now.
Needle's good. Alright, gears down. Got one more notch of flaps I'll hit here shortly. Wind is from our right, big time right now, 32 knots.
Ouch. Landing sideways, huh?
Smooth, it'll die out a little bit down here. Alright, here comes full flap.
Altitude 1,000 to go.
There's 2 for 1,200.
Final runway 13.
19 for 1,200. 17 for 1,200. 500 to go. 16 for 12. Autopilot will disconnect here shortly. Just gonna see how far it'll fly here for visual. 15 for 12.
Where it lets go.
It won't let go, but just see how accurate it stays as we get closer. 14 for 12. Airspeed still good. There's 13 for 12. 100 feet
Altitude
to go.
200 to go.
And there would be our decision height. How low we could get this thing down to. Pretty good.
Testing the waters, huh?
Flew it really well too. I'm impressed.
Altitude.
Nice to have an autopilot you can rely on.
Yep.
Safe one ground.
Ouch. Wow.
Safe 2 is requested. Fair and 3 Papa Echo, safe parking.
We're gonna go over, is it Elliott over here?
Papa Echo, turn left, Delta 4, right on Delta, or manage frequency.
Delta 4, Delta, and I'm with you. 3 Papa Echo. Alrighty. Clear the runway. Flaps up. Strobe off.
Fair and 3 Papa Echo, taxi, correction, taxi to park via Delta Bravo.
Delta Bravo, 3 Papa Echo. 716, doing good. Right on time. Well, that was a fun flight.
Roger, advising you.
Not bad.
Pretty smooth, all things considered.
Yeah.
Alright. Delta Bravo, Bravo.